Do you have piles of jelly prints or paintings you've been saving, wondering what on earth to do with them? Well, let's turn them into stunning wearable art together. Hi, I'm Susan McCreevy and I'm here to guide you step by step how to craft your very own bespoke jewellery. In this course on Encaustic Treasures, you'll learn how to transform your jelly prints into captivating brooches and earrings. I'll show you how to find the perfect brooch shapes to get started, how to paint abstract backgrounds using mixed media techniques, and how to apply encaustic wax for that perfect finish. Plus, I've included a bonus lesson where I'll teach you how to attach the earring hooks and package your jewellery, perfect for gifting or selling at markets. This course is perfect for both beginners and experienced artists. Whether you're looking to learn new techniques or create unique gifts, you'll love this journey. So, are you ready to turn your art into something wearable and truly special? Let's get started together. Enroll now and start creating your own wearable masterpieces.